Yo YouTubers, it's me George, and I got another review for you today, and this is the Hillside house. Now as you can see, I've had a bit of territory there, and this is my brother's, he gave it to me, and to show you a quick sketch of it. Now this is the electric doorbell. It can make a little dog sound, and apparently I've lost a dog. Or I've missed the pieces for it, I don't know where it is, so let's just get started on this thing. The roof, it's nothing really, got some chest of drawers there, a bed if you can see it, and a computer there. You can add furniture if you want, and I didn't have no space, so I created a mini bed kind of thing, because the roof got knocked down kind of thing. And this is the minifigures. Wait a minute. This is the minifigures I've got. Right, this is one of them. He's very nice. No back printing. Just a safari shorts on. These are casual guys, inmates. They live together, like in the house. I don't mean prison. So anyway, whoops, this one. This is my other one. I've got the jacket of Harry Potter. Nobody notices. Right, let's just get started. No, that's the figures there. Anyway, this is my house. Customised it out a bit because people want that furniture. It's alright if you don't like it, but anyway, this is the Disco Oldies disc. And made myself an own record player and something else as well. This is the table for two with cups in the morning, and that's the treasure chest. Fireplace. See if I keep on saying random words. Anyway, fireplace, very nice. Coat hanger where you can hang your hat and coat and cape. Now, as you can see here, it's got a little territory. I like the wood panelling on this house. The wood panelling is very nice, and added a bit of garden grass. Can't create the barbecue, not enough pieces. Anyway, as I said, it's my brother's, and I don't know what's happened to the rest of it. This is stairs, nice clean ones, and put that down a minute. This is it, and if I turn around the roof here, I've made a little chimney because it looks nothing about a chimney really. You need it for the fireplace. And this is the satellite panel. I'm working on it at the moment. So there's a gap there. You can just play around with the gap inside and stand your figures or whatever you want to call it. This is the back of the terrace. Nothing so simple about it. It's just like simple really. And this is my house, and I done an exclusive review as well. Just leave that a minute there. And I want to bring another thing down from my shelf. It's a very cute little thing. It's a Hoover, mini Hoover. If you haven't seen one before, they're very rare to buy in retails, shops. Sorry about that, guys. Where is it now? Ah, there it is. This is it. Right. Mini Hoover. Works, don't get me wrong. It works. And it goes on and off like a real Hoover. You can add extensions on it. It's limited edition. And it's got handlebars and everything else. And as well, you can get the box. Where's that box? Oh, fuck it. Anyway, this is it. You can also get other extensions, like this. Clips onto on the Hoover instantly. And that's it really. Let me demonstrate. Right. That's if I can. Now this is it. Henry the Hoover. It's got the handle on it. And this is it. As you can see, it opens up like a real Hoover. Whoops, try and open this thing. Wait a minute, guys. As you can see here, it's like a Hoover. This is the power for it. It switches on and off, and that's the Hoover. And it's a Henry Hoover. I think it's quite cute. Got it at 2K Max. Don't know what one for tenner. So it's alright really. Anyway, subscribe, and I'ma see you